here's a really easy way to set your lights up so they look perfectly straight and spaced out and no sag. Well, you need some PVC pipe, a couple fittings, and some zip ties. So you take your lights, lay them out. Put a cap on the end. We'll just start right here. Okay. Right here. One on each side. A little snug here. And you want your letters kind of up and away if you can. You don't see those. So these are going to be hanging down. Nice and tight. Okay. One on each side. It's a lot, you know, because if you have a lot of lights, but this is permanent, so we can actually store this just like this. Just take it off. These are 10-foot sections. Just hang them up in the garage somewhere, and they're ready to go next year. And your clips, you can keep those clips up, or you can bring them down, but either way, putting these lights up, once this is done, takes just a matter of minutes. The front of your house is lit. Here. Here. And then we'll cut these tails off when we're done. Keep them nice and straight and even. There you go. All the way down. Okay. Coupler. You don't even need to glue it. We're just going to take it apart when we're done after Christmas for storage. Yeah, it's been a little tighter, a little snug, when it's snug at least. Cut off the excess, right here, cap it. Clean these up. Fragile. So this strip is going in a gutter. I have a gutter guard, so this goes inside the gutter guard. I'll show you that. And normally you just put the string in there and it would hold the strings, but you would have sag. So what I do is just take this, open it up just a little bit, big enough for the PVC pipe to sit in, like that. Straighten this out. It's going to hook just like that. And you don't need that many. For this strip, I'm probably going to do maybe 8, 10 of these. But if you're doing an eave, this would go in your eave, right? In your fascia, hanging. And then what you could do is just clip these down every so often in this little groove. And you could position them how you want, but this would hang in the eave, and you'd still have that same nice clean look. Or if you're going under the shingles, which is this one, goes in the shingles, then I would clip one of these in to each light like this. But the weight you'd probably want to do one on each, and then that would just clip into the shingle. You can just slide this whole thing in under your shingles. It's ready to go. Okay. So these gutter pieces that I bent, this goes right in the gutter like that. Gutter guard. And just hangs down. And as you can see, I have those all the way down. And then the PVC just pops right on top of it. And when you're done, take it off, unplug it, break it down, hang it up somewhere in the garage for next year.